Hi, my name is Zahid. Today I will run the experiment to check the biodegradability of natural polymer. We will see how they decompose over time with the help of microorganisms, and also the method of this experiment. Before we start, let me tell you why I use natural polymer instead of synthetic. Leaves are a perfect example of natural polymers because they are widely available, and their structure is rich in cellulose, a natural compound that breaks down easily in the environment. This process typically takes weeks to months, depending on conditions like temperature and moisture. On the other hand, synthetic polymers like polyethylene, polypropylene, and polystyrene are engineered materials commonly used in plastics. They are designed for durability and resistance to environmental conditions, meaning they don't easily break down in nature. Synthetic polymers lack the natural structures that microbes can readily digest, leading them to persist in the environment for decades or even centuries. Now we go for the method and result. For the first sample, I use orchid leaf. For the second sample, I use Swiss cheese leaf. For the third sample, I use Caladium bicolor leaf. For the fourth sample, I use Guyana chestnut leaf. For the fifth sample is indentified. For the last sample, I use Japanese bamboo leaf. Here are the method. First, fresh leaves from different plant species were collected and weighed to record their starting weight. The leaves were buried in soil, fully covered, to allow natural decomposition. After 3 to 4 days, the leaves were dug up, cleaned if needed, and reweighed to track any weight loss. This process, burying, unearthing, cleaning, and weighing, was repeated at set intervals to monitor changes over time. This is the result after 3 days. This is the result after 7 days. All weight measurements were recorded to observe the progress of biodegradation. For discussion, various leaf kinds deteriorate at various rates according to the experiment, which implies that plant species have an impact on the rate of biodegradation. Leaves like Guyana chestnut and Caladium bicolor lost more weight, demonstrating that their softer structure. On the other hand, the leaves of the orchid broke down more slowly due to their dense structure, which probably makes it more difficult for bacteria to break them down. In conclusion, the experiment showed that different plant species had different level of leaf biodegradability. While thicker leaf like those of the orchid break down more slowly, leaf with higher rates of biodegradation like those of Guyana chestnut and Caladium bicolor lost weight more quickly. This variation are probably caused by the structural and chemical makeup of this leaf variety, which influence the rate at which soil bacteria may decompose them. That's all. Thank you.